morning, student. In this section of video we have discussing about the 12th standard physics. It was including two volume, first volume and second volume. We have going to talking about the first volume and the first chapter, that is electric charge and field. In this chapter we have studied the electrostatic force and electrostatic nature of charge, because in this charge does not move, and the properties like electric field, electric force, dipole moments, and the potential energy of a system we have to study. And the next section, when the charge is moved, this is electrodynamic, and we study like current density, trip velocity, and other things in this next section. And after that we have to going out for the magnetic field and the magnetic nature of the charge. And after that the last we have talking out to EMI, electromagnetic induction, and AC current. That we have go to start the first chapter of this video of the physics for 12th standard. The chapter was electric charge. Move on the first chapter, that is electric field and electric charge, and we have going on the chapter, that is electric charge and electric field. And this section we have studied the property of charge when it is in rest, just like electrostatic force and electrostatic field, electric field. And electric field lines, electric dipole, and the dipole moment and potential energy of a system. First point, when the charge is in rest, the charge is rest only it is produce electric field but not magnetic field. When the charge is moved with a constant velocity, it produces both electric field as well as magnetic field. And the when charge is escalated or oscillated from a point, it produces electromagnetic wave. In this electromagnetic wave, it compresses electric field and magnetic field and have energy. So this wave is known as electromagnetic wave. And the type of charge, we have to discuss the type of charge. There are three type of charge, that is positive charge, negative, and neutral charge. And we are discussing about the positive charge, like removal of elementary particle charge. Just like electron, we have to explain the next point, that the elementary charge. What is the elementary charge? And the negative charge, addition of elementary charge, that is electron. And the neutral charge. Neutral charge we have to discuss the equal concentration of positive and the negative charge. And next point we have to discuss the elementary charge. The elementary charge, we consider the elementary charge as an electron, which value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Is the smallest charge we have to consider in this physics, but some charges are also smaller than charge of electron. They are known quartz particles. Their value is 2/3 of electronic charge, 1/3 of electronic charge. And the next section we have to moving how we have developed the charge. The charge can be developed by the three methods, that first is friction, second is conduction, and third was induction. We are going to discuss the friction. Friction we have know in the first year class of the physics. What the friction? By rubbing the two body, one body get excess of electron and another body lose of electron. Who get excess of electron get negatively charged, and who get lose their electrons, elementary charge, or get positively charged. For example, when a silk cloth was rubbed by the glass rod. And we have going to the next point of the method, that is conduction. And the conduction, in this the metallic body and the metallic charge sphere, which is connected or touched by the another uncharged body, metallic body, so the same nature of charge get transferred to the another uncharged body. In this diagram we have shown that A is a positive charge sphere, metallic sphere, and B is uncharged metallic sphere, and which they have touched each other. The same charge are transferred, that is positive charge is also developed in B metallic sphere, and it has negative A sphere. Then negative charge can be, any same nature of charge can be transferred to the another uncharged body. Then we have to talking about the third method, that is induction. In this induction we do not touch or connect the charged body to the uncharged body, a metallic sphere. So the opposite nature of charge get induced on uncharged body, and magnitude of charge may be equal or less than the original one. In this diagram, we have just take the charged body to the uncharged body, and a negative charge is developed on the surface, and when we have to remove it, that the permanent charge are developed in uncharged body, and the nature is opposite. Yeah, the A is the positive charge body and B is negative. And next point we have to going on that the like charge or repel is here. Like charge are like which have same nature. They are like a positive charges, both positive and the both negative. They have repel each other. It's a very important topics and important point for this chapter and for the numerical problem also. And for the unlike charges attracts each other, like positive negative charge or negative positive charge, they are attract each other. Next point है quantization of charge. The quantization theory. The quantization theory is explained that any body have the charge which is integral multiple of the charge of an electron. It never be fractional value. It is always a whole number. And the aberration was Q equal to N, the equation. Small n is the number of electron transfer, and E is the electronic charge, and capital Q, that is development of charge. N is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on, but N never be the fractional value. Unit of charge, that is Coulomb, with the with respect to the scientist Coulomb. And we have going to the talking about the Coulombic force and electrostatic force. When the 2 point charges, it is only applicable for the point charges, this theorem, that the 2 point charges, that is Q1 and Q2, are kept in the air and the vacuum with the distancing between r. The Coulombic force, it is what air, so we have to denote it with the F naught, and it is the directly proportional to the product of 2 point charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. When we have to correlate these two equations, that we got a proportional constant. This is known as kappa constant, and the equation is F naught K Q1 Q2 by R square, and the SI unit of kappa constant is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. That value, numerical value, is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square, and the CGS value for the kappa constant is 1. Then we have discussing with the next video about the capital K, this is the kappa constant, and small k, that is the dielectric constant. When we have to fill a dielectric media in between the 2 point charges, the forces value get changes, and we have to, in the next section of video, we have introduce a dielectric media, and then we have to notice that the force get changes or not changes, and also so we have to the numerical problems in the next video, and I will uploaded this video next video with the numerical section and numerical problems, and I will requested you to like and share and subscribe this video to get more information and more details for that. Thank you.